Welcome to our HIPAA compliance course, your comprehensive guide to securing patient privacy and protecting health information. Learn the essentials of HIPAA, from understanding regulations to recognizing and safeguarding PHI, ensuring confidentiality and compliance in every scenario. Master breach notification and release of information protocols, so you can respond quickly and responsibly when data security is at risk. Implement the HIPAA security rule with practical safeguards across technical, physical, and administrative areas to protect electronic health data effectively. Gain insights into business associate agreements and their role in compliant healthcare operations, and prepare for real-world applications with knowledge on HIPAA violations and complaint handling. Build a healthcare environment rooted in trust, privacy, and security. Start your path to HIPAA expertise today. Expand your HIPAA compliance knowledge at akitra.com/akitra-academy.